In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and wait for the second pop-up. This one. Remove Google Widget. Now to delete your search bar, tap on Remove on the right and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it, I can show you that too, because all you need to do is pinch your display, hit Classic Widgets at the bottom, swipe to the left under Google to find Google search bar, click on it and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!